Hello everyone, John here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, right off of Cray Lake Highway. Right next to us, we have a beautiful 2021 Leisure Travel Unity 24 CB floor plan here for us off the Mercedes Sprinter chassis, 3.0 liter V6 there, with plenty of 188 horsepower underneath the hood. Leisure Travel is a great quality and craftsmanship. Love the product. They do focus on a lot of the details on a lot of their motorhomes here for us. You're going to have your AquaGo tankless hot water heater system, great pass-through storage, armless power awnings, and of course your frameless windows, UVA protected, along with LED lighting system. Easy steps to get inside the coach with batteries located underneath. Battery disconnect, easy to switch on. Then all your control systems located in the main entryway. As we step inside, you got that beautiful two-tone interior with the front seats upholstery upgraded with the Leisure Travel stitching there. You do have your onboard solar here for you. Lots of overhead storage. Also opt in for the security safe up above there for us. Flash screen infotainment center that does come out and swivel, with all your control systems located here. Built-in DVD player, antenna system. Up above from there, you're typically going to have all your major control systems, like your auto leveling system, N-Track. So you have your built-in inverter system, 2 stovetop gas burner with solid countertop surface, drop-in stainless steel sink, built-in screens, and blackout shades. You are going to have your electric fridge here for you, provided by Dometic. You do have your LED lighting system controlled to the dinette, solid wood craftsmanship, easy drop down for additional bed, and continuing that solid woodwork all the way around the whole coach itself too. Nice corner bed, easy to pull over and take a break if you need to without putting any slides out there for you. Lots of overhead storage, slide out pantry if needed. Corner bathroom with one-piece fiber, corner bathroom with dome for extra headroom if needed. Shower ports, of course, 4 porcelain toilet. They continue the solid countertop surface in the bathroom and stainless steel sink. Leisure Travel makes one heck of a unit, so if you have any time to come on down here and check it out here at our Johnson RV location, love the chance to spend some time with you and answer some more additional questions about the product and the lineup that they offer. Feel free to ask for John, one of our associates. Be happy to take care of you.